Backyard renovation time-lapse videos are going crazy viral right now. These videos get millions of views, and in this tutorial, you'll see exactly how you can make them too. Open browser and type Explore GPTs. See the first website for GPT. Click on Explore GPTs. This GPT is very powerful and can create all kinds of video concepts. Search for the GPT called Restoration Time-Lapse and select it. Then click on Start Chat. First, you'll use the normal Start option. Click on Start and the GPT will give you more video ideas. In this example, pick idea number 9, which is a underground renovation. Type 9 and the GPT will then ask you 3 questions. Answer them however you like. For this tutorial, then type modern luxury for question 1, a wine cellar for question 2, and overcast for question 3. Continue. The GPT will now generate the best detailed image and best detailed image to video prompts you need. Now copy the first text to image prompt it gives you. Open Google Gemini and switch to image generation. Paste the first image prompt and generate the image. This will give you your start frame, which is the most important image because you'll use it as your main reference. Pick the image you like most and save it as your reference image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it into Google Gemini and generate the next image. Now you'll get the next phase of the backyard where people are already working on the renovation. Again, choose your favorite image and use it as the reference for the next stage. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the third image prompt. Paste it into Google Gemini and generate the image. Wait a few minutes. This will be your third image. Now it's time to generate the final result. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the last text-to-image prompt. Paste it into Google Gemini and generate the final image. This gives you the finished luxury backyard. Download for all images. Now open Google Flow AI Video Generator. Upload your all generated images. Generate your first video using the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google's video generator, and generate the video. Once it's finished, generate the second clip. Use the second image as the start frame and the third image as the end frame. Copy the second video prompt and paste it. Generate the next video. Now create the third clip. Use the third image as the start frame and the final image as the end frame. Copy the third video prompt. Paste the video prompt and generate the video. For the last clip, use only the final finished backyard image. Copy the final video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google's Flow, and upload only last image and generate the last cinematic shot. When all 4 clips are ready, download all video clips, import video clips scene by scene, them into your favorite video editing software. Arrange them in the correct order on the timeline so the backyard transforms from empty to under construction to completely finished. When you play everything back, you'll have a smooth backyard renovation time-lapse video just like the viral ones you've seen online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content.